How to assemble a RAM Perfect Fit yoke mount. All RAM mounts include 3 pieces: a base, an arm, and a cradle. Here we have the claw yoke mount, a standard arm, and then an iPad mini cradle. The socket goes over the ball, same with the cradle, and then you just tighten up the wing nut. To use a perfect fit cradle, you can't have any case on the device you're mounting. So I have to remove my iPad from my case. And then it fits snugly inside of the cradle. You'll see it's very tight, so you can't have a case on your iPad, and even some screen protectors might interfere with the mounting in a perfect fit mount.